Okay, so this is today's assignment. Those who have just joined, the first question is rearrange the words to make sentences. Sugam will speak up. He will solve the first sentence. Story reading is Vani. Yes, Sugam, please solve it. What is the correct order of the words? A story reading is Vani. क्या है correct order?
Vani is a read story.
Very good. Vani is reading a story. That's good. Vani is reading a story. This is correct. Okay. Next, I want to ask from Prisha Pandey. Yes, Prisha Pandey, please unmute yourself. Prisha Pandey, beta,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
unmute. Okay, so second sentence. You have to solve the second sentence. Monday, our reopen school on will. So rearrange it. Make a meaningful sentence. Monday, our reopen school on will. How will you rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence? Will you be able to do this, Prisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me. Yes, Prisha, please try it. Otherwise, I'll ask somebody else. Okay, no problem. Let's ask from. Let's ask from Kashish. Okay, Kashish, could you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kashish, please solve the second sentence. Monday, our reopen school on will.
Monday, our school reopen on will.
So solve this bit. Meaningful sentence banaiye.
Okay, ma'am.
Our
school will reopen on Monday.
Very good. Our school will reopen on Monday. हमारा school reopen कब होगा? दोबारा कब खुलेगा? Monday को खुलेगा. So many of you have given the correct answers in the chat box also. I really appreciate your efforts. Number 3, calling mother Rohan is. Let's ask from Seerath. Yes, Seerath, could you please unmute yourself? Yes, Seerath, please answer. The third one, calling mother Rohan is.
Ma'am, Rohan is calling mother.
Rohan is calling mother. Very good. Rohan mother को बुला रहा है. Good. Okay. Now the second one is the B part. Put a tick against the group of words which are sentences. You have to identify इनमें से कौन सा group of words sentence है और कौन सा नहीं है. Now let me ask from Yashraj. Yashraj, please unmute yourself. Yes, Yashraj, unmute करो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first group is from my house. Is this a sentence or not? Say yes or no.
Ma'am, false.
No, this is not a sentence. Very good. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम यहाँ पर cross लगाएंगे because it is not a sentence. Very good, Yashraj. Let me ask from Harsimran Kaur. Harsimran, please unmute. Yes, Harsimran, unmute करो बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the second one. Rohan studies in my class. Is this group of words a proper sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think everything is correct in this sentence? Is everything correct in this sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Harsimran. Now, in this sentence, two mistakes are there. Who can identify these two mistakes? Bishti Bansal. Bishti, can you please tell? There are two mistakes in this sentence. Please unmute yourself and tell which mistakes are those.
Rohan studies in my class.
So, is this a sentence or not?
बताओ
है ये sentence? Does it follow all the
No.
rules? No. Okay. Why do you think it is not a sentence?
क्योंकि उसके पीछे full stop नहीं लगा हुआ.
Very good. There is no full stop. There is one more mistake. Can you identify that also? One more mistake is there. ध्यान से देखो. There is one more mistake here.
First नहीं capital क्योंकि.
Very nice. So that means Rohan should start with capital R. Okay. Two mistakes are there. One is this. Rohan ka R capital hona chahiye tha. And towards the end, there has to be a full stop. So there were two mistakes here. So again, I will put a cross. फिर से मैं cross करूंगी. Okay. Right? Now, next is Reena and Veena are good dancers. Let me ask from Paramveer Singh. Paramveer, please unmute. Paramveer Singh, beta, please unmute kariye jaldi se. You have to be very quick. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the third sentence, Reena and Veena are good dancers. Is it a sentence or not? क्या ये sentence है या नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, क्या है sentence ये?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों आपको ऐसा लगता है? Why do you think that it is a sentence? इसमें कोई भी mistake नहीं लग रही आपको? Okay, कोई mistake नहीं है इसमें. Are you sure? Okay, so that's correct. In this sentence, there is no mistake. So this is a proper and complete sentence. The sentence starts with capital letter. Two names हैं इसमें, Reena and Veena, and both of them starts with capital letter. Okay. Now there is a full stop as well. Full stop भी है इस sentence के end पे, so that is why it is a proper sentence. So इस पे हम tick करेंगे. Okay. We'll put a tick against it. Next is I'm scared. I scared of ghosts. I scared of ghosts. Okay, let me ask from Priyamvada. Yes, Priyamvada, could you please answer it? Unmute yourself, Priyamvada.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Priyamvada. Please answer this. I scared of ghost. Is this a complete sentence or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a sentence. Are you sure? कोई mistake नहीं है इसमें?
Yes, ma'am.
There is one small mistake in this sentence. Who can recognize that? Who can identify? There is one mistake here. Muskan, can you identify? Please unmute yourself. Unmute करिए Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Muskan. Can you please identify which mistake is there in this sentence? Number 4. I scared of ghost. There is one mistake here. क्या mistake है? Okay, please write in the chat box if somebody is able to find that mistake. Okay, let me ask from Gurveer. Okay, so where is Gurveer? Let me just unmute him. Okay. Yes, Gurveer.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Gurveer. Could you please identify the mistake?
Ma'am, mistake is in the starting of sentence because when we start the sentence, letters should be capital.
Do you know about which
And
sentence we are talking? We are talking about the fourth sentence. I scared of ghost.
Ma'am, I is not capital.
It is capital. See carefully. It is capital. I scared of ghost. There is one small mistake in this sentence. Something is missing.
Ma'am, am is missing.
Very good. I am scared of ghost. Okay. I के साथ हमें am use करना होता है ना. I am scared of ghost. Okay. So this is the mistake. Thank you, Gurveer. Okay. Now let's talk about part C. Put a full stop or question mark at the end of each sentence. Gurveer, please mute yourself. Okay. So now you have to put a full stop or a question mark. Let me ask from Pratiksha. Yes, Pratiksha, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have my book? क्या use करे? Full stop or a question mark?
Question mark.
Question mark, because this is a question. Do you have my book? क्या आपके पास मेरी book है? So this is a question. Very good, Pratiksha. Pranav Jyot, please unmute yourself. The next one now. Pranav Jyot. What are you doing? Shall we put a full stop or a question mark? I have highlighted the sentence which we are doing right now. What are you doing? Pranav Jyot, unmute karo beta. Okay. So what are we used to write after the sentence? Full stop likhe ya question mark likhe? What are you doing?
Question mark.
Okay. What is the meaning of this sentence, Pranav? Can you explain?
क्योंकि वो कुछ पूछ रहा है.
हाँ, तो क्या पूछा जा रहा है सेंटेंस में? क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है? What are you doing? What does it mean? आप क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? So again, we'll put a question mark here, right? So let me just add question mark here. In the second sentence also, I'll put a question mark. Next, my mother cooks delicious food. Let's ask from Jasnoor Singh. Jasnoor, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the third sentence, my mother cooks delicious food. What shall we use? Question mark or a full stop? Yes, Jasnoor, please repeat.
Full stop.
Full stop. Very good. Can you explain the meaning of this sentence, Jasnoor? What is the meaning of this sentence, Jasnoor? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the meaning of this sentence? My mother cooks delicious food.
मेरी माँ delicious food बना रही है.
बनाती हैं, बना रही नहीं है, बनाती हैं. मेरी मदर डिलीशियस फूड बनाती हैं. Do you know what is the meaning of delicious?
स्वादिष्ट.
स्वादिष्ट, बहुत ही टेस्टी खाना. Okay, so we have to use a full stop after this. क्योंकि इसमें हमसे कुछ पूछा नहीं जा रहा है, हमें बताया जा रहा है. बता रहा है कि मदर अच्छा खाना बनाती हैं. So बताया जा रहा है हमें. That's why we will not put a question mark. Next is, which color do you like the most? Let's ask from Param Benz. Unmute yourself, Param.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, fourth sentence. Which color do you like the most?
Question mark.
Question mark. Okay. Can you explain the meaning of this question?
क्योंकि
क्या मीनिंग है इस क्वेश्चन का? क्वेश्चन मार्क इज राइट, बट टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑल्सो ना, कि क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है.
क्योंकि तुम्हें
Which color do you like the most? इसका मीनिंग है आपको कौन सा कलर सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है. Which color? Which means कौन सा. Which color do you like the most? Most means सबसे ज्यादा. सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा कलर पसंद है आपको. Okay. Now let's move on to the D part. You can mute yourself, Param. Find the naming word in the following sentences. अब आपको naming words find out करने हैं. Let's ask from Sanchita. Unmute yourself, Sanchita. Okay, biche.
मैम
Yes. Find the naming word in the sentence. My brother has a black dog as pet. Naming word find out
Ma'am.
कीजिए.
My brother has a black dog as a pet. मैम black.
Black. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते क्या है? What is the meaning of a naming word, संचिता?
मैम नेमिंग वर्ड वो होते हैं जो किसी का नेम होता है, जैसे कि प्रीति, सुमन, ऐसे नेम्स, राहुल.
ओके. तो आपने मुझे बोला ब्लैक. आपको पता है that black is a color and colors are not naming words. Colors, अगर अकेला कलर के बारे में बात किया होता तो हम उसको एज अ नेमिंग वर्ड लेते, बट हियर हमें बताया गया है ब्लैक डॉग. दैट मीन्स डॉग की खासियत है कि वो ब्लैक कलर का है. वी हैव बीन टोल्ड समथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट द डॉग एंड दैट इज इट इज ब्लैक इन कलर. सो ब्लैक हियर इज नॉट अ नेमिंग वर्ड. Black is a describing word in this sentence. Okay, black is sentence में describing word है. Black is not a naming word क्योंकि black के आगे हमें एक naming word already दिया हुआ है, that is dog. Okay, identify any other naming word here. कोई और naming word भी तो हो सकता है. Just check it out. My brother has a black dog as a pet. जल्दी से आइडेंटिफाई करो. Okay, I think there is a problem. No issues. You can mute yourself with it. Now let's ask from Kapil. Kapil, unmute yourself. Yes, Kapil, please unmute. Okay. So Kapil, please tell us the naming words of this sentence.
I like to watch the star in the sky at night.
बेटा अभी भी हम फर्स्ट सेंटेंस की ही बात कर रहे हैं. So tell me the naming words from the first sentence.
Ma'am, brother.
Brother. Okay. Do we have any other naming word?
Yes, ma'am.
और कौन सा है?
Dog and pet.
Dog and pet. Very good. So in this sentence, the naming words are brother. I'm going to underline them. Then dog and then a pet. These three are the naming words here. So let me tell you, naming words होते क्या है? कोई भी चीज, कोई भी इंसान का नाम इस दुनिया में सभी नेमिंग वर्ड्स है. जैसे कि ब्रदर, डॉग, पेट, ये सभी नेमिंग वर्ड्स है. नाउ अ चाइल्ड सेड दैट ब्लैक इज ऑल्सो नेमिंग वर्ड. ब्लैक भी नेमिंग वर्ड होता अगर ब्लैक के आगे डॉग नहीं लिखा होता, क्योंकि अभी देखो ये क्या बन गया, ब्लैक डॉग. बात किसकी हो रही है, डॉग के बारे में. डॉग के बारे में क्या बताया गया कि वो ब्लैक है, तो ब्लैक बेटा यहाँ पर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड बन जाएगा, यहाँ पर वो नेमिंग वर्ड नहीं है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज आई लाइक टू वॉच द स्टार्स इन द स्काई एट नाइट. ओके, मोक्षदीप, would you please answer this? Unmute yourself, Moksh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Bete, good afternoon. Please solve the next sentence. I like to watch the stars in the sky at night. Which are the naming words in this sentence?
Watch, stars, sky.
I like to watch. यहाँ पर बेटे वॉच एज अ नेमिंग वर्ड यूज नहीं किया हुआ, एज अ वर्ब यूज किया हुआ है. आई लाइक टू वॉच, मुझे देखना पसंद है. आई लाइक टू वॉच, क्या पसंद है देखना, द स्टार्स इन द स्काई एट नाइट. नाइट में स्काई में जो स्टार्स आते हैं मुझे वो देखना पसंद है. तो यहाँ पर वॉच इज नॉट दैट वन जो आप अपने हाथ पे बांधते हो. हियर वॉच मीन्स देखना. Okay, I like to watch the stars in the sky at night. So here, the naming words are stars, sky, and night. Okay.
Ma'am, I like to all see the stars and moon.
Okay, that's okay. But here we are talking about this sentence. We have to recognize the naming words here. So I like to watch the stars in the sky at night. इसमें हमारे पास 3 naming words है, stars, sky and night. Watch यहाँ पर naming word नहीं है, मतलब watch यहाँ पर एक चीज की तरह यूज नहीं किया. Watch को हमने एक एक्शन की तरह यूज किया है, हमने एक वर्ब की तरह यूज किया है. I like to watch मतलब मुझे देखना पसंद है. So देखना, watch करना एक एक्शन है, वर्ब है. It is only a naming word. Next, we celebrate Eid and Diwali with our friends. Can Gurshin answer this? We celebrate Eid and Diwali with our friends. Unmute yourself, Gurshin. Identify the naming words in the sentence.
We celebrate Eid and Diwali with our friends.
Yes, so which are the naming words? Eid.
Diwali, friend.
Very nice.
Eid, Diwali.
Very good. Eid is the name of a festival. Diwali is also a name of a festival. And friends. Friends means हमारे दोस्त. So all of these are the naming words. So बेटा आपको जब भी naming words underline करने के लिए कहा जाता है, आपने उसमें common names और special names दोनों ही underline कर देने हैं. Naming words is a combination of special names and common names. Naming words में सारे तरह के words आ जाते हैं. So आपने सभी को underline कर देना है. Okay? Because in this sentence, see, Eid is a special name. Diwali is a special name, but friends is a common name. तो हमें सिर्फ नेमिंग वर्ड्स अंडरलाइन करने के लिए कहा गया है, तो हम सारे के सारे नेम्स जो हमें नजर आएंगे हम अंडरलाइन कर देंगे, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज फाइंड द कॉमन नेम्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. अब आपको कॉमन नेम्स ढूंढने हैं इन सेंटेंसेस में. सो अभिजोत कुमार, कैन यू प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So here the sentence is, the girls went to watch movie Jumanji. So you have to identify the common name. The girls went to watch the movie Jumanji.
Girls.
Girls is a common name. Okay, anything else?
Jumanji. Movie Jumanji.
So is Jumanji a common name or a special name?
Ma'am, no.
What? No, beta,
Movie.
please repeat. Movie, very good. So here in this sentence, girls is a common name and movie is also a common name. Now what about Jumanji? Jumanji एक मूवी का नेम है. So Jumanji is a special name. इसलिए हम Jumanji को अंडरलाइन नहीं करेंगे. ओके इसमें हमें सिर्फ कॉमन नेम्स चाहिए थे जो कि स्पेशल ना हो, किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या चीज का नाम ना हो, हमें वो चाहिए थे. तो वी अंडरलाइंड ओनली गर्ल्स एंड मूवी. Number 2, Miss Sharma was teaching in the class. Let's ask from Dharya Sopti. Yes, Dharya, unmute yourself. कभी भी किसी की भी टर्न आ सकती है. All of you must be attentive. Okay, so next sentence. Miss Sharma was teaching in the class. Identify the common name in the sentence. Miss Sharma was teaching in the class. Common names identify करो.
Ma'am, teaching.
Teaching. Teaching करना तो बेटे action हो जाएगा. Don't you think so?
Ma'am, class.
Class. Okay. Did your mother help you out with this?
No, ma'am.
I think mama ने help किया है. Okay, anyways, so the answer is class. क्योंकि Miss Sharma is a special name. Teaching is a verb. Teaching एक verb है, action word है. कि टीच करना किसी को. जहां पर बच्चे ing लग जाएगा, that will become an action word. वो हमारा action word या verb बन जाएगा. ओके जिस वर्ड के साथ हम ing लगा देंगे, that will become a verb. वो एक action word बन जाएगा. We can't take that in common names. So here class, actually class is also not a common name. Okay beta, this is not correct here. Class word नहीं लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर. I will write something else. Miss Sharma was teaching students. Okay, now this will be correct. So here students will be the common name. वो इसलिए क्योंकि क्लास जो होता है वो कलेक्टिव नेम होता है, कलेक्टिव नाउन होता है. अभी जब आपको वो करवाया नहीं गया है. ओके तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. स्टूडेंट्स इज कॉमन नेम. नेक्स्ट, आई फाउंड इंसेक्ट्स इन हर कबर्ड. ईशिका भारद्वाज, प्लीज अनम्यूट. ईशिका बेटा अनम्यूट करिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ishika, the third sentence. I found insects in her cupboard. Identify the common names.
Ma'am, insect.
Very good. Insects means kide makode. Anything else?
Ma'am, cupboard.
Very nice. Perfect, Ishika. It is cupboard. Okay, insects and cupboard are the naming words in this sentence. Very good. Ishika, please mute yourself now. Now the next question is, find the special names in the following. आपको अब special names identify करने हैं. Okay, so special names कौन से होते हैं? किसी का एक special name, कोई building जिसका हमें special एक name बताया हो, किसी person का name, all of them are the special names. So, does Sushant really wants to go to Chennai? Does Sushant? This is want here. Does Sushant really want to go to Chennai? Let's ask from Vidhan Sharma. Vidhan, please unmute yourself. Does Sushant really want to go to Chennai?
Ma'am, Chennai.
You have to identify the special name. कोई special name होगा इस sentence में, उसको ढूंढिए.
Sushant.
Sushant, very good. Good. Do we have any other special name here? कोई और भी है special name?
Ma'am, no.
Yes, there is one more. Check करो. Special names start with capital letters. चाहे वो sentence के बीच में कहीं आए, चाहे sentence में कहीं पहले आए. Does Sushant? Chennai. Very good. Chennai is the name of a state in India. Okay, so it is a special name. Now, Hitesh Kumar, please unmute yourself. The sentence for you is, Army will travel to Rajasthan and Kashmir. Which are the special names in this sentence? Army will travel to Rajasthan and Kashmir. Army will travel to Rajasthan and Kashmir. Hitesh, please unmute. बच्चे, you have to be quick. Hitesh, unmute करो बेटा जल्दी से. So he's not responding. Let me ask from Naval Verma now. Yes, Naval, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Naval, the next sentence. Army will travel to Rajasthan and Kashmir. The second sentence. Which are the special
Ma'am,
names? You mute yourself, Naval.
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Only Rajasthan? कोई और special
No,
name नहीं है? I think there is one more special name here.
Ma'am, Kashmir.
Kashmir, very good. Kashmir is also a state of India. It is a special name. And you can see they start from capital letter. Okay, now the third one. My father has a Honda motorbike. Let me ask from, let's ask from Jinisha. Jinisha Ohri. Yes, Janisha, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, Janisha, identify the special name. My father has a Honda motorbike. My father has a Honda motorbike. Please try, Janisha. We are left only with 1 minute now.